Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to Unboxing HD. Today we will learn and discuss about machine learning and its importance in the industry and our real life. Machine learning is a growing technology which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. Machine learning uses various algorithms for building mathematical models and making predictions using historical data or information. Currently, it is being used for various tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, email filtering, Facebook auto-tagging, recommender system, and many more. What is machine learning? In the real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experiences with their learning capability, and we have computers or machines which work on our instructions. But can a machine also learn from experiences or past data like a human does? So here comes the role of machine learning. Machine learning is said as a subset of artificial intelligence that is mainly concerned with the help of sample historical data, which is known as training data. Machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model that helps in making predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning brings computer science and statistics together for creating predictive models. Machine learning constructs or uses the algorithms that learn from historical data. The more we will provide the information, the higher will be the performance. How does machine learning work? A machine learning system learns from historical data, builds the prediction models, and whenever it receives new data, predicts the output for it. The accuracy of predicted output depends upon the amount of data, as the huge amount of data helps to build a better model which predicts the output more accurately. Suppose we have a complex problem where we need to perform some predictions, so instead of writing a code for it, we just need to feed the data to generic algorithms. And with the help of these algorithms, machine builds the logic as per the data and predict the output. Machine learning has changed our way of thinking about the problem. The below block diagram explains the working of machine learning algorithm. Features of machine learning. Machine learning uses data to detect various patterns in a given dataset. It can learn from past data and improve automatically. It is a data-driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining as it also deals with a huge amount of the data. How does machine learning work? A machine learning system learns from historical data, builds the prediction models, and whenever it receives new data, predicts the output for it. The accuracy of predicted output depends upon the amount of data, as the huge amount of data helps to build a better model which predicts the output more accurately. Need for machine learning. The need for machine learning is increasing day by day. The reason behind the need for machine learning. The need for machine learning is increasing day by day. The reason behind the need for machine learning is that it is capable of doing tasks that are too complex for a person to implement directly. As a human, we have some limitations as we cannot access the huge amount of data manually, so for this, we need some computer systems, and here comes the machine learning to make things easy for us. We can train machine learning algorithms by providing them the huge amount of data and let them explore the data, construct the models, and predict the required output automatically. The performance of the machine learning algorithm depends on the amount of data, and it can be determined by the cost function. With the help of machine learning, we can save both time and money. The importance of machine learning can be easily understood by its use cases. Currently, machine learning is used in self-driving cars, cyber fraud detection, face recognition. Various top companies such as Netflix and Amazon have built machine learning models that are using a vast amount of data to analyze the user interest and recommend product accordingly. Following are some key points which show the importance of machine learning. Rapid increment in the production of data. Solving complex problems, which are difficult for a human. Decision-making in various sectors including finance. Finding hidden patterns and extracting useful information from data. I hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Take care and see you around.